To customize your Google form, click the Customize Theme palette icon at the top. Here we will be able to change the background color, choose fonts, and update the header. You can change the background color by choosing from the suggested colors or adding a custom color. You can also change the font for your form, starting with the header. I like Cinzel Decorative, which is perfect for a wedding invite. For the questions and text, I will choose a clean, readable font like Nuneedle Sans. You can also adjust the font size for each part. Next, we can add a header image by selecting one from Google's image library. There are several categories. I will select the wedding category and choose one I like. However, it's more personal to use your own image, especially for a wedding invite. I will remove this one and upload a picture that I already have. Once the image uploads, you can reposition it to choose which part will be used as the header. That looks much better. Notice that the form background also changed automatically once the header image was updated. Now Google suggests background colors that best match your header. Thanks so much for watching.